So here we have the NEU cordless screwdriver, and just going to do a quick review over it and talk a little bit about my thoughts and basically what it comes with and all the features. So it's a 4-volt electric screwdriver, and it's rechargeable by a typical like Android USB plug, and it has a pivoting handle, which just allows you to make it straight or at an angle. It also has flashlights on the front and rear of the screwdriver, which is pretty cool when you're dealing with or in the dark or working on a vehicle or anything like that. It does have a 32-bit piece set that it comes with, which is, from what I could tell, it comes with everything you need as far as bits. It's a 6+1 torque setting, so you can change the torque on it to what you need. And it has a 2000 milliamp battery, which from what I've seen is around 300 screws equivalent. So whatever the equivalent of you screwing in 300 screws would be. It does have a 12-month warranty on it, and that comes with it, which just kind of tells me that the company backs their products, and they're going to replace it if anything happens. But what I also like about it is one of the items it comes with is the sort of angled piece that you can kind of form to specific angles, which is this piece right here. You kind of turn it as needed, and you insert it into the screwdriver, and you can bend and turn that at whatever angle you want, and it does turn on the front end. So it's a pretty cool technology, so you can get into those hard to reach places a lot easier. So for the price, this is a very great screwdriver, and I do highly recommend it.